Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. So today we're going to be talking about Gemini's credit card. It's a Bitcoin rewards credit card, kind of like Blockfi's that I talked about, except they're a bit different, different companies, different type of rewards and everything. And we're going to be comparing them and see which one's better, or it could be very situational as well. But let's just get started into the benefits. So the Gemini credit card is launching this summer compared to, well, I'll go into the comparison later. And you'll get up to 3% back on dining, 2% back on groceries, and 1% back on anything else. And I think it's rewards in Bitcoin or any crypto on Gemini. So whatever cryptos that Gemini have, you can get paid in that. So it's not only Bitcoin, it can be any crypto. Personally, I would probably just do Bitcoin. It's the best and safest one in my opinion, or maybe Ethereum. All right, so there's no annual fee and no exchange fees to acquire your crypto rewards either, which is really great. You get the rewards in real time, right as you basically swipe your card and get that cash back. It'll just be deposited into your account right away, which is great because of the price appreciation of Bitcoin and others. Secure, manage, and freeze your funds from the app. And the security features, they have go into a bit more details. I'll go into that in a bit. Instant access your card number and Apple Pay or Google Pay in-app as soon as you're approved. Customize metal cards available in black, silver, and rose gold. So that kind of stands out to me. It's going to be a metal credit card. So I've never had a metal credit card before. I've only had a metal debit card from Crypto.com. So this is pretty exciting. I think I might get this one instead of Blockfi. I'm really not too sure yet, but let me know what you guys think. I'll go into a bit more details first though before you guys comment anything. So this will be available to all US residents. So you can spend worldwide anywhere MasterCard is accepted. That is a huge benefit, so I already know I'm going to be able to get it. So if you're outside of the United States, you're not going to be able to access it. Same with block cards or Blockfis. But on Blockfi, it's only launching to specific states. I think there's going to be some states that you can't use it in. So I really like that this one is going to be available to everyone, and it's launching this summer. So the security features, we can go into the details on this. It says it's launching in summer 2021. Kind of more details about the rewards and all that. 24/7 live customer support, security first design, which is pretty great. This says the sleek metal card available in black, silver, rose gold is contactless and was built with security in mind. Only the cardholder's name appears on the card, which I think is so smart. Removing other sensitive information like the 16-digit card number, which the cardholder can easily access via the Gemini website or mobile app. So the only downside I can see about this is not easily being able to copy and paste your credit card like numbers. I think for Amazon, you can like scan a credit card because like the physical copy, and it just enters all the details in for you. That's the only downside really, but other than that, it seems to be way smarter to do it this way. Obviously for credit cards, even if someone were to steal your credit card information, it usually is a lot easier to reverse the transactions and get it like undone and everything and fixed for you. But it's best to avoid that situation in the first place so you don't have to go through all that. And this is a great security feature, like not having it on the actual physical card, which is great if you lose your credit card because they're not going to know the digits to it. So they're not going to be able to buy anything online. Obviously, they'd still be able to use it in person, but I'm sure on the mobile app, there'll be a button to click to freeze it. To like instantly unfreeze and freeze. And you get near instant access upon approval. You can instantly access the credit card on the app, and you can use your mobile wallet to do transactions. I think it's point of sale ones and also online ones. You also get World MasterCard benefits, so cardholders can access exclusive offers with select merchants such as DoorDash, HelloFresh, Lyft, and ShopRunner. The Gemini credit card will also include advanced security features, including MasterCard ID theft protection and zero liability and price protection. Additionally, cardholders will have access to priceless experiences, which offers both local and online activities. So that's pretty cool. It does come with some extra benefits. And if you're someone who does a lot of dining and gets a lot of groceries and you want to get rewarded in Bitcoin, it's looking like the Gemini credit card is going to be better. They don't put out their interest rates, so I don't know whether or not the Gemini credit card will have lower interest rates compared to Blockfi's or whatever. I don't know. But based on the rewards, it's looking like Gemini's is going to be a bit better. Unless you don't really shop for groceries much and you don't do much dining, then Blockfi will actually be better because you'll get 1.5% cash back in Bitcoin compared to just 1%. So you get an extra 0.50% back in Bitcoin on BlockFi's compared to Gemini's. But the fact you can earn up to 3% on dining and 2% on groceries is pretty great. Like, that's great. I wish it was also gas related in here, but sadly it's not. So 1% would be gas, obviously. But all right, I guess now we can go into the comparisons, comparing BlockFi's to Gemini. So here's Gemini. Here's BlockFi. BlockFi's card will ship in Q2 of 2021 to U.S. residents in qualified states, while Gemini's is launching this summer to all 50 states. And this summer could be a bit later than BlockFi's because BlockFi's is end of Q2 or shipping in Q2, which is the end of Q2. We can see, if you don't know, it's right here, June 30th. So the end of this month, it'll be launched. And another thing is, so they both have no annual fee. They're both pretty secure, I guess, but Gemini has a nice little extra feature. You can choose what you get rewarded in, which is great. And Gemini has higher cash back in Bitcoin. These are metal cards. I don't know if BlockCard or BlockFi says what type of card theirs is. I'm assuming it's plastic, but yeah, I don't know. You can get 2% back in Bitcoin on every purchase after 50,000 annually spending, but I don't know. When you really look at these and compare them, honestly, I'm not going to go into it too much. I might make a whole nother video to really compare them each. But just off this little whim, just looking at them like this, it's looking like Gemini's credit card is going to be a lot better. I think, what is it? There's another company that's going to be releasing a debit and credit card, I think, or just debit. And we'll see how theirs goes. Oh, Celsius. But they haven't done it yet, so I don't know. As of now, it's looking like Gemini's credit card is going to be the best Bitcoin and crypto credit card to get. So I might actually wait to apply for Gemini's, although I also will have access to Fold apps because Fold's coming out with the credit card, Bitcoin credit card rewards, with a flat rate plus the variable rewards on top of it, which is sounding pretty good. So I might even wait even longer, except Fold's credit card is going to release by the end of this year, I think in the fourth quarter of this year, and I already have free access to it because I pay for their premium debit card. But anyways, this video is getting a bit too long, so I'm going to end it here. Let me know what your guys' thoughts and opinions are on Gemini's credit card and whether or not you think this credit card is worth it to get, and if you think BlockFi's is better or do you think Gemini's is better. What are your thoughts? All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more future content like this, and I'll see you guys later in my next video.